Turning your engine AJ556. Turning good, all compressions complete. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage, no broken. Compressor looks good, all nice. On this side engines looks good, no damage. Gearbox looks as well, all nice, all good. On the Z sides engines looks good. Starter looks good, no damage, all nice. Alternator looks as well, as you can see. Socket looks good, no damage. And on the top, as you can see, all connectors looks good, no damage, no breaks, all nice. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage, all nice, all good. And turning your engine AJ556.